Till Nation Football number 10. I don't think we've seen a soccer auto. Alright, so Joe Montana. So Gridiron Icons. So 1-1 blue Colin. Juju Lewis. So New Dawn Blue Lava. It's Colin. 1, 2, 3. Cole Payton, a New Dawn Blue. Colin. 1 of 3. Derek Baker. It's the New Dawn Blue Speckle. The D spot Ethan. So 4-7. And so Emmett's Moorhead. It's a New Dawn Pink Shimmer. The E spot Ethan. So 5 of 6. And so Amari and Hampton. With a Pure Talent Clear Pink. It's for the O spot Blackjack. 1 of 6. So Nation 10, we get a fresh going. Thanks for jumping in, everybody.